Alright guys, so I wanted to walk you through a few things. There's going to be some new stuff going on. So I'm just going to use period 1 as an example. So for this week, again, you go into your regular class. Under assignments, I do have your weekly wellness check-in survey. It's under 5-4 weekly check-in survey. So nothing there has changed at all. But a few things that I do want to go over. If you go up to files, there's going to be some new things that appear. I am going to start with this Earth Science CAF outline. So this is going to be how we're going to kind of do the rest of the class pretty much until the end of the year. I got this idea from a coworker of mine. I thought it was really great. So, directions. I'm going to be posting the work for the week at the beginning of the week. Every week, I'm not going to overwhelm you with a bunch of files or assignments. So your job is to complete a menu for the day, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert. And you do have mandatory ingredients or requirements that you need to have regardless. So you do have a few different options for each quote-unquote meal. So you don't have to do all of these. I want you to pick one or two. If you are overwhelmed or you don't have time, just pick one. If you're bored or really interested in climate change, pick two. The only one that you don't need to pick two of is the dessert category. So this is your like end of unit assessment in a way, or project. I don't think, none of these are actual assessments. These are all projects. So, that being said, I do have due dates in blue next to all of the assignments. So for this week and next week, we are going to be focusing on the ingredients or the mandatory assignments. I have the PowerPoint and video research. I say research loosely because you get to watch a movie. But these are going to be due at the end of this week. And next week we'll do a carbon footprint and a web quest. The following week you'll choose one or two of these options, then one or two of these options, one or two of these options. And the last week, week 6, is the last week of school. So you'll have one of these projects due then, and I will upload these prior to the last week so you have a little bit more time. I'll probably give you like 2 weeks to get this done. But yeah, so I'll have these assignments uploaded on your Teams page. And you'll just have to fill out a survey for me every week just so I can kind of keep track with you guys and see how we're doing. I feel like there was something else that I needed to say. Oh, so I'm going to eventually put out a blank template of this and you'll have to fill in which assignments you're doing. But I think that's pretty much it for the Earth Science CAF. Yeah, this is just an outline of how the rest of the year is going to look for us. So these you have to do no matter what, and these you have options to choose from. Okay, so that's the Earth Science CAF. If you go back to files, I have the PowerPoint in here. This I borrowed from a coworker. I did not do any of this PowerPoint. The Earth Science CAF, I kind of did an entirely different take on it because my coworker is a chemistry teacher. We are Earth Science. So the PowerPoint is not mine, but I do want you to go through this and get a little bit of a background on climate change because CP has a little bit more experience with that because we did Earth Science and Climate in terms 1 and 2. CPA, we did not do that. So after you go through the PowerPoint, I want you to open up this climate change video research, and this is going to be due at the end of this week as well. So I figured since you guys are probably watching a bunch of like Netflix and stuff like that, this would be a better option for you, so it's not like you really have to do all that much work. So different options. Last week I had you guys fill out in the survey what was available to you, either YouTube, Netflix, or Disney Plus. So whichever one of these is available to you, pick it. If you have all three of these, like YouTube, Netflix, and Disney Plus, just pick whichever one you are most interested in. So you only need to watch one of these, and then I'll have a survey posted. I'm going to put that together probably tomorrow or Wednesday for you to fill out. I think most of these assignments I'm just going to do through survey, at least for the next week or two. So the YouTube videos I was able to provide links to. You just click it and it should open up in this tab. It is a full-length movie. Okay. The Netflix, you're going to have to log in and type in the search to get to these. Same for Disney Plus. The ones that have series next to them, Our Planet and One Strange Rock, you can either pick one episode, a few episodes. You can watch the whole series if you want. It's up to you. Chasing Coral, Mission Blue, A Plastic Ocean, Before the Flood, Ice on Fire. These are all movies, so you're going to have to watch the whole movie. And I did provide a description of each one of these, so you can skim through and see which one you want to look at. My personal favorite, if you have Disney Plus, this is only available on Disney Plus, is One Strange Rock. It's hosted by Will Smith. It interviews scientists. It goes through what astronauts experience, and it talks about how everything is interconnected on our planet. It is really cool. This is a series. It's kind of can get a little dry at times, but it's very interesting. Plastic Ocean is pretty relevant. I have not seen Mission Blue or Chasing Coral yet. Our Planet is an amazing series. The quality of video in here is incredible. Tons of different options here. Ice on Fire I have not seen either, but was recommended by one of my coworkers. And Before the Flood I like to show in class typically, but obviously we don't have that available to us. So I think that was everything. So we went through the assignments on here, which is weekly survey. Under files, Earth Science CAF outline. This is going to go through everything up until the end of the year. Climate change video research and PowerPoint here. Later this week, I'm going to put another survey to talk about these two assignments under the assignments tab. So I will send out an email once I have that posted, but I just wanted to go through this with you guys. Hopefully that was pretty self-explanatory and helped you guys kind of get a feel of what's going on. If I left anything out, please let me know. If you have any questions, please let me know. But yeah, that's pretty much it for right now. All right, have a great rest of your day, guys.